Have you ever taken a stroll through the woods and enjoyed the sights and sounds of nature thriving all around you? You feel the sense of calm and serenity and find some level of perspective when faced with the majesty of the natural world. Unfortunately, meandering down a winding forested path may not be possible for future generations throughout various regions of the world. The world's forests are under siege. They're being chopped down, burned, and bulldozed, never to be woodland again. This is a process known as deforestation, and it happens for a variety of different reasons with a variety of different effects. It's important to note that deforestation occurs all around the world. Countries like Brazil, Indonesia, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and even parts of Eastern Europe are facing challenges with the destruction of their forests. Methods like clear-cutting and burning are being used to make room for cash crops such as wheat and palm oil, allowing larger pastures for livestock, especially cattle, and collecting timber for commercial items such as paper and furniture. According to the article Deforestation, Facts, Causes, and Effects, written by Alina Bradford in 2018, an estimated 18 million acres of forest, which is roughly the size of the country of Panama, are lost each year. This is a loss of 27 soccer fields worth of forest every minute. So what does that mean? Why do we care? Within the same article by Ms. Bradford, she states, deforestation is considered to be one of the contributing factors of global climate change. The role that trees have in the global carbon cycle is no small thing. CO2, or carbon dioxide, is a molecule that absorbs thermal infrared radiation, resulting in the collection of heat within the atmosphere, thus making it a greenhouse gas. With the decline in number of trees, the rate of collection and storage of said carbon dioxide is lessened greatly. On top of that, when trees die, they release their carbon stores into the atmosphere, whether that's from naturally decomposing or being burned. So the faster trees are cleared, the faster CO2 collects in the atmosphere, and the slower it is absorbed by the trees, thus creating a downward spiral to a hotter Earth. Along with global warming, deforestation has caused a mass of extinctions of species in both animals and plants. One not commonly reported effect this has is a destruction of potentially life-saving medicines. BBC News reports that over 50% of prescription drugs are derived from chemicals first identified in plants. In an article written by Ken Fullerton, named Forest Deforestation Threatens Medical Cures, it reads only 1% of the species of tropical trees and plants have been tested by scientists for medical benefits, with 137 species becoming extinct every day. There is a complete unknown possibility of pharmaceutical potential being destroyed on a daily basis. This means that cures for diseases such as cancer, HIV and AIDS, or lupus could be lost before they are ever discovered. Another danger of mass deforestation is the negative effect it has on the global water cycle. Fred Pierce writes in his article, Rivers in the Sky, How Deforestation is Affecting Global Water Cycles. Every tree in a forest is a fountain, sucking water out of the ground through its roots and releasing water vapor into the atmosphere through pores in its foliage. In their billions, they create giant rivers of water in the air, rivers that form clouds and create rainfall hundreds or even thousands of miles away. With the destruction of these forests, we risk losing the precious rainfall needed to fuel the agriculture that feeds the world. Breadbaskets of the world like China, India, and the U.S. Midwest would be decimated with an interruption of their life-bringing rains. This could lead to a wave of global famine if left unchecked. You may be asking yourself, what can I do to stop deforestation? The solution is as easy as keeping an eye on your wallet. Look for goods made of recycled products that can continue to be recycled. Look for wood products with an FSC or Forest Stewardship Council mark, and support products of companies that are committed to reducing deforestation. One major product to be aware of is palm oil. It is commonly used in a variety of products and is one of the most common crops to be cultivated on deforested land. Something as simple as reading a label before you purchase can make a lasting impression. Money is a universal language. Speak it. Thank you.